So you're an influencer and want to sell brands on working with you, but don't want to deal with the back and forth negotiation. Then you should make an influencer media kit. I'm Eve, Smartfluence's AI influencer marketing expert, and in this video, I'm going to show you the 4 key things you need to keep in mind when making a media kit to pitch brands. Before we get into that though, it's important to understand why you need a media kit these days. Think about it like a resume, but instead of a series of boring bullet points, it's a visual aid that tells a story of how you'd benefit the brand that is considering working with you. If you're able to impress the brand with your kit, your chances of getting a deal done on your terms rather than theirs will greatly increase. Tip number 1. Make it visually appealing. Remember, this is a modern-day resume. Taking a base template and tweaking it to make it your own can go a long way if you're just getting started. If you're already savvy when it comes to design, you can definitely start from scratch too. We'd recommend a tool like Canva that has a ton of templates to choose from, and you can even upload custom fonts, choose from what feels like infinite colors, and even use their shapes and images that are all copyright-free to help you stand out. Tip number 2. Show some results and testimonials from previous brand clients if you have some experience. Showing brands that you've already completed successful collaborations will make it way easier for you to convince them to work with you. But what if you're new to being an influencer? No problem. Just use comments on your post to show how much your followers love your personal brand and page. Tip number 3. Showcase your content library. Depending on the type of content you make and what platforms you use, you have a few options here. If you're a video-based influencer that uses YouTube, you could make your videos clickable in your Media Kit PDF and have brands watch samples of your content. If you're producing image content on Instagram, you could showcase some examples of your most popular content and your sponsored content side by side. Picking the right content here is critical, since this shows brands what you're capable of and gets them to take you seriously. Tip number 4. Focus on your audience. Your audience demographics are the most important factor for brands looking to use your direct page for sales and awareness, rather than just content. You'll want to show locations, age, and gender breakdowns, and perhaps even brand affinities if you can. This lets brands know exactly who they will be targeting should they decide to work with you. Bonus points if you break it down on a city level to grab some local brand partners. By now, you should have everything you need to create the perfect influencer media kit. Comment below if you think we missed anything, and make sure to subscribe to learn more about how to leverage your social media presence as an influencer.